Good morning, everyone. Oh, goodness. So, we are just getting ready. Well, hello and happy Monday or Tuesday, whenever this vlog is going to come out. Here's Sydney. Say hi.
Hi.
So, today we're about to go to Walmart or Target. Walmart, because Walmart has more affordable school supplies. We're going to go to... School is starting. School is starting.
Teacher, or does you know what the teacher did?
Oh yeah, I thought you was gonna say the teacher's name. Don't say the teacher's name. But yeah, we're getting ready to go to Walmart to go school supply shopping. I hope there are supplies left because school starts on Wednesday.
Are you bringing that notebook?
Yeah, I wrote down everything's on a list so I won't have to, you know, the paper they give you and the number about what you're supposed to get, and it's like tiny and you have to keep going like this. So I just wrote everything down. Sydney's getting the list. And we're on our way. I'm about to just do my hair. I've been putting it in twist at night. Sydney is excited for school. At first she wasn't excited for school, and then she was like, Mom, I'm ready for school. I'm tired of being bored. I'm like, I'm ready for you, girl. She said, how dare you? Okay, so I'm about to just take my twist out real quick. I did them last night. And excuse my voice. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, your voice has been deeper.
I feel like my throat is on fire. Oh, I'm going to cut these too because last night I did these in bed. I was watching something. What was I watching on? Something interesting. Sydney, bring me those scissors by the wigs. The hair scissors. Okay, so I'm just going to cut these because I don't like... Man. They're by the wig. Why are you holding them like that? You know better. It's not funny. Okay, so I'm going to take these because look at that. I'm just going to cut the ends. I don't like how that looks. That actually, oh, this one is kind of good. That's, ooh, I was about to cut my hair off. That one is good. Because one thing about me, I do not like scraggly looking, unhealthy hair. That's a no-go for me. So, I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to unravel them. Child. Yeah, so and then the back of my hair, I really just want to cut my hair. Cut it, just start all over with something new. A different style. Blonde, reds, pink, something else. You know? Something fresh, something new. Something that it will inspire me. Because I'm feeling just like, ugh, blah. Okay. in this one. Okay. I think I'm going to start wearing my braid outs or twist outs again. I haven't worn them in a long time. But here I am. Clean the mirror, Dominique. Clean the mirror. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear it like this. Put on a little lip gloss. Be on my way. I need some hoops. Ooh, my other earring is gone. All right, I'm going to put on some pants and I am going to be on my way. I'm not going to manipulate my hair too much because it'll take out the crinkles, and just cutting those ends like that help tremendously. I do not like raggedy ends. They make it hard for you to do anything with your hair. Trim your ends, cut your hair if you want. Healthy hair is the outcome, and we love healthy hair. All right.
Basically wrote in cursive.
All right, then.
Like one of these things. Like, you know. Yeah, this is what I wanted last time.
But you didn't need them. The teacher told me to take it back. Okay, so look what's on the list.
Two white magic
Erase.
rub.
Magic rub.
Why can't we get them this time?
Because they're not on the list.
You need things that are.
We need these for home.
Color pencils and magnets.
Yeah. You already got some in the car. We can get another one for home.
Bruh. I don't have colored pencil. I have crayons and markers. I don't have colored pencils. Some smart.
On this side.
Am I keeping the same book bag?
Yes. That's a good book bag. You want these?
Oh yeah. Yellow highlighter.
I already got those. Come on now. Mark them off. You got a pen?
No, I don't have a pen. Mechanical pencil.
They already come with the lead in them. They don't?
Yeah.
Yeah,
because
they do. 3 lead.
I thought meant like extra lead.
So read them off. We need those magic rubs. Let's go find magic rubs.
What are magic rubs? Erasers?
Erasers.
That's fine. Don't worry, there with me.
She's about to get dressed. Try some clothes on and we'll get back to you guys.
Okay, so do I try them?
Alright, come on.
Air conditioning. How dare you put off my beautiful face?
Let's see how much this will cost. Does it cost so much?
How much is so much?
Oh my god.
How is that so well? Yeah, I do. I thought you were like $5. Like a reasonable price, but then I thought too expensive for you would be like $76. Yeah, because usually like the pencil pouches are like too long. Mine is all crusty.
Huh?
I didn't realize how crusty my lips were. You guys put on the paper bag. Ew. Mocha.
We just don't have to get what we did to give them.
Tarjay. Yeah, because it doesn't really matter because we're gonna share stuff like with the whole class or this we might not share.
No, they said it on the thing that they take them and they distribute it.
Oh, just share it? Yeah, so it's fine. And plus, they already have like some notebooks to give to us. So. Tarjay. Potato chips.
I had those. They don't even taste good.
Huh? They don't? False advertising. If it doesn't taste good, give me my money back.
Okay. My hair is just all frizzy now. We had to make 2 trips. We've been in Walmart for how long?
3 hours.
Sydney says 3 hours, but I don't believe it. 3 hours. We got snacks for her to take to school, waters, socks, different types of stuff, school supplies. Whew. Now I'm gonna stop and get some gas. Hold on.
I got stuff.
Go put this cart back.
Where?
Right there. Oh my God!
Oh, that's Windows hot. Oh, mommy, I can't get in.
What?
I can't get in.
Why not?
It's hot.
Get in, girl, and get this hand sanitizer.
No, thank you.
That's burning up too.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't need it. No, thank you.
You do. Get your
It's hot. You should
work extra well now. Extra good.
burn your skin.
Burns and cleans it at the same time.
Oh my God.
Ooh, that is hot. But we need it. Feel like it's working extra good now. Woo, woo, woo. Got a cut right here. Woo. My hair is wild.
It's sticky.
Ooh, it ain't anything, huh?
Yeah.
You can eat your salad when you get home.
With what?
What? It's a chicken salad.
With what?
What else do you need with
I
it?
don't know. I want something with it.
Okay, now we are on our way to meet the teacher. Say hi, Syd.
Hi.
Get the bag of goodies, school supplies. We're dropping off the school supplies. We're going to meet the teacher. Sydney's going to love school. Sydney's going to love school. All right, let's go before my hair. I came back home and I twisted my hair for like an hour. Where's my purse? Got my keys. It's gonna be so crowded there.
Why couldn't we leave that inside 10 minutes later?
I tried to.
But
It's a beautiful day outside. Loving my hair. We'll see you at the school.
I know, we should have came earlier.
Hello.
I told you you were over here. You gonna tell me no? Like I don't know. You wanna stand by? Go by the door and just wave. Oh, that was nice. What did she say to you?
She said, make sure to come say hi.
And all. Ooh, you get to go in the back.